Think about how many repetitive tasks people still do every single day. Maybe you're running a small business and managing customer orders through WhatsApp. Maybe you own a restaurant and keep writing orders on paper. Maybe you're running a salon where appointments get mixed up. Or maybe you're a teacher trying to organize student records using spreadsheets. The problem isn't that these businesses don't need custom software. The problem is that building a custom application usually takes weeks, requires developers, and can easily cost thousands of dollars. But what if you could simply describe your idea in plain English? Or even better, just say it out loud. And AI builds a working application for you within minutes, without writing a single line of code. That's exactly what we're going to test today using Whacka. Instead of showing you another boring AI tool overview, I'm going to solve a real business problem. We'll build a complete pizza shop order management application from scratch, publish it, install it like a normal mobile app, place a real customer order, manage that order from the owner's dashboard, and then I'll even show you how easily you can improve the app later just by talking to AI. If you'd like to try Whacka yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. So let's get started. Alright, I'm now inside Whacka. Whacka is an AI-powered no-code app builder that lets you create fully functional mobile applications without programming. Instead of writing code yourself, you simply describe what you want, and the AI takes care of the rest. One thing I really like is that you aren't limited to typing. If you look down here, you'll notice this upload button. Using this, you can upload files like images, PDFs, or even CSV files if you want to give the AI additional context before building your application. Right next to it is probably my favorite feature, the microphone button. Instead of typing a long prompt, you can simply tap the microphone and explain your idea using your voice. Whacka understands what you're saying and starts building the application for you, which makes the entire process much faster and much more natural. For today's video, I've already prepared a detailed prompt because I want to build a complete business application with multiple features. The idea is to create a modern pizza shop order management app where customers can browse pizzas, place orders, while the owner manages everything from a simple dashboard. So let's paste the prompt. And now I'll click Build It. Now the interesting part begins. Instead of immediately generating random screens, Whacka first analyzes the request, understands what kind of application we're trying to build, plans the overall structure, and then starts creating every part of the application step by step. You'll notice that inside the chat, it keeps explaining exactly what it's doing. It's designing the interface, creating the customer flow, building the owner dashboard, generating the database structure, adding different pages, and connecting everything together. This is actually much more than simply generating a few screens. The AI is understanding the entire workflow of the application before putting everything together. Another really useful thing you'll notice inside the chat is that Whacka also explains additional capabilities you can connect to your app. For example, if you connect your WhatsApp business account, your application can send order confirmations, customer notifications, and business updates automatically based on events happening inside your app. And if your workflow already uses platforms like Telegram or Discord, Whacka also supports integrations that help your app fit naturally into the tools you're already using. Now let's wait a few moments while the AI finishes building everything. And there we go. Our pizza shop application is now ready. Everything has been generated automatically from a single prompt. Now let's publish it and see how it actually works in the real world. I'll simply click on Publish, and within a few seconds, Whacka makes the application ready to use. Once the publishing process is complete, I can click on Share, copy the app's link, and open it in a new browser tab. And here it is. Our pizza shop application is now live. The first thing you'll notice is that everything looks clean and professionally designed. Right at the top, we have the branding, and as we scroll down, we can see all the available pizzas along with their prices and an add button beside each item. Now here's another thing I really like. Even though this is generated using AI, it doesn't feel like you're using a simple website. I can open the browser menu, tap Install App or Add to Home Screen, and within just a few seconds, the application gets installed directly on my phone. Now if I go back to my home screen, you can see the Pizza Shop app sitting alongside all my other applications. Let's open it again. This time, it launches just like a normal mobile application instead of opening inside a browser, which creates a much better experience for both customers and business owners. The interface is simple, modern, and easy to navigate. Everything is clearly organized, making it easy for anyone to place an order without any confusion. Customers can browse different pizza categories like veg, chicken, beef, drinks, and deals, making it much easier to find exactly what they're looking for, instead of scrolling through one long menu. If I switch over to the Orders tab, this is where customers can keep track of the orders they've already placed. There's also a cart section, where every selected item is stored before checkout, just like you'd expect from any modern food ordering application. And then we have the owner dashboard. This is where the business owner logs in and manages every incoming order from one place. Now let me show you how the complete ordering process actually works. Let's say I'm a customer and I want to order this Meat Lover's pizza. I'll simply tap the Add button. Now if I open the cart, you can see the pizza has been added successfully. From here, I can increase or decrease the quantity depending on how many pizzas I want to order. The application automatically calculates the total price, including the delivery charges, so customers immediately know how much they'll have to pay. Now I'll continue to check out. Here, the customer simply enters their full name, phone number, and delivery address. For privacy reasons, I'm keeping my personal information blurred. The payment method is cash on delivery, and just below that, you can see the total amount, including both the pizza price and the delivery charges. Now let's click Place Order, and that's it. The order has been placed successfully. The customer immediately receives a unique order ID, making it easy to identify and track the order later. If I open the order section again, you can see my order is already listed here, exactly the way a customer would expect to see it after placing an order. Now let's switch to the owner side. I'll open the owner dashboard and log in. This is the control center, where the shop owner manages everything. Right away, we can see the new order that was just placed. Opening it gives us all the important details, including the customer's information and the complete order. Now the owner can update the order status as the order moves through each stage. For example, it starts as pending. Once the kitchen begins preparing the pizza, the owner can change it to preparing. When the delivery rider picks it up, it can be updated to out for delivery. And once the customer receives the order, it can simply be marked as delivered. If the order needs to be canceled for any reason, that option is available as well. The great thing is that customers can always see the latest order status, instead of repeatedly calling or messaging the shop, asking where their food is. A few years ago, building a custom application like this would have easily cost thousands of dollars and required weeks of development. Today, AI can build something similar in just a few minutes. Further down, you can also see demo orders that were generated for testing purposes, along with different order statuses. This makes it much easier for business owners to organize and manage multiple customer orders, instead of handling everything manually through endless WhatsApp conversations. And if your business already communicates through platforms like WhatsApp, Business, Telegram, or Discord, Whacka also supports integrations that can help these apps fit naturally into your existing workflow, making order management even more convenient. One thing I really like about Whacka is that building the app isn't the end of the process. Let's say you look at your application and realize you don't like something. Normally, that would mean going back to the code, editing multiple files, and spending hours making changes. With Whacka, it's much simpler. I can just go back to the chat, type what I want to change, or even better, use the microphone button and simply tell the AI what I want. For this example, I want to improve the homepage, so I'll tap the microphone and say, I don't like the current homepage layout. Make it more modern by adding a promotional banner at the top, featured pizzas, popular deals, and larger food images. As you can see, my voice has automatically been converted into text. Now I'll simply send it to the AI. Just like before, Whacka starts understanding my request and begins updating the application based on the changes I described. I didn't touch a single line of code. I didn't edit any design files. I simply explained what I wanted, and the AI handled everything for me. After waiting just a little while, the update is complete, and the publish button appears again. I'll publish the updated version, copy the new link, Open it in a new tab, and let's see the result. Right away, you can notice the difference. The homepage now looks much more modern. There's a large promotional banner at the top, the featured section looks much better, the pizza images are larger, the overall layout feels cleaner, and even the branding has been refreshed. That's honestly one of the biggest advantages of using AI for app development. You're not locked into the first version. You can keep improving your application just by describing the changes you want, whether you type them or simply speak them. Overall, I think Whacka is one of the easiest ways to turn an idea into a working mobile application. Whether you run a restaurant, a salon, a small retail shop, a clinic, a classroom, or almost any other small business, you can build tools that actually match your own workflow instead of trying to adapt to software that wasn't designed for you. And the best part is that you don't need programming experience to get started. If you'd like to try Whacka yourself, you'll find my link in the description below. I definitely recommend experimenting with your own ideas because you'll probably be surprised by how much you can build in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of app you would build using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.